In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Janitor AI generation settings. If you want better, more consistent responses from Janitor AI, a few simple setting changes can make a big difference. The goal here is to find a balance between creativity, response length, and memory, so the character feels more natural and stays on track during the conversation. To begin, open Janitor AI and start a chat with any character. This gives you a live conversation where you can immediately test the changes you make, which is helpful because generation settings are easiest to fine-tune when you can see the results in real time. Once you're in the chat, open the generation settings. This is where you control how the AI responds. Start by setting the temperature to around 0.8. This is a solid middle ground because it usually gives you replies that are creative without becoming too unpredictable. If the bot starts feeling too random or inconsistent, try lowering the temperature a little. If the responses seem too repetitive or stiff, raise it slightly until the conversation feels more natural. Next, set max tokens to around 400. This setting controls how long the bot's replies can be. A value around 400 is often enough for detailed answers without making every message unnecessarily long. If you notice replies getting cut off before they finish, increase this number a bit. If context size is available, set it somewhere between 8,000 and 16,000, depending on the model you're using. A larger context size allows the bot to remember more of the conversation, which can improve continuity and help it respond in a way that feels more aware of what was said earlier. After you adjust these settings, continue chatting with the character and test the responses. Pay attention to how the bot behaves over several messages. If needed, change one setting at a time until you get the response style you prefer. That's how you can optimize Janitor AI generation settings.